if you're having problems trying to get your rear view camera to work, for example, maybe you hooked up the positive. Well, here's what happened to me. I realized that it wasn't working because, well, I need to ground it. So I'm going to show you how to just quickly ground it. Very easy, right there. Scratch the frame with my wire brush. Scrape that really good. That way you'll have a nice ground. And then I'm just going to put a clean new sheet metal screw right through here, like so. And then that will provide the ground connection that I'm looking for. And then my rear view camera will work because the positive end is hooked up to the tail light. So the negative has to be hooked up to the ground. And in case you're wondering what type of drill bit you should use, well, these are called butt slices. So you'll just want to get a drill, line that up with that, and then you can drill your hole. And then you're going to grab the screw, and you'll just drill that all the way in, like so. And then it will provide that nice tight connection when I put it in here. Okay, there we go. Okay, next put your screw into the butt slice thing. Find the hole. Okay. It is now nice and tight, and it is properly grounded to the car. So now my backup camera will work, all because it's grounded. What I'm also going to do, as an added sense of protection, I'm just going to put some electric tape right here. Nice, secure, and tight. One other thing I did is, with the wires I have remaining, I just zip tied it, and if you can even attach it to here so there's like less movement. And I just tape this down so these wires don't move at all. I also used a zip tie. And just to show that it works, there we go. Got it working.